Here are 3 Kdenlive tips and tricks for a better workflow. Number 1 being the ability to save parts or cuts of your clips on the timeline into the project bin. And what I mean by that is, let's say I have this cut over here that I would like to keep for later use. So just this segment. And this is this clip over here in the project bin. What you can do is right click on the cut and go up to Save Clip Part to Bin. And over here, if you notice, we now have this zone 1 saved to the project bin. So it's similar to what you would do inside of the clip monitor by setting an in and out point and then inserting the zone into the project bin. Next, we have the ability to work with multiple audio streams. So for example, if you're using something like OBS and you're recording both your desktop and your microphone, you can import all of them into Kdenlive, and Kdenlive gives you the ability to select what you would like to import or which one would you like to be working with. So to work with this, if you remember, we have the clip properties. So if I double click on this, we have clip properties over here. And inside of the audio properties, we have our stereo 1, our stereo 2, and we can also merge all the streams. So if we import the clip directly onto the timeline, you can see it comes here with 2 audio streams. So one for, in my case, it's one for the desktop and one for the microphone. From here, you could ungroup and delete either one of these, or inside of the clip properties, you can disable either one of them so that when you import it, it only comes in with one of the streams. Or lastly, you can right click on it and then you can duplicate the clip. Now we have 2 independent versions of it. And for one of them, let's say we only want to use the track 2. And for the first one, track 1. And lastly, for the third tip, it's the ability to import Kdenlive projects into your existing or ongoing project. And what this means is you can simply grab a Kdenlive project, drag it into your existing project or ongoing project. Kdenlive will simply import it as a clip, piece of media. As you can see, it lets me know that we have 2 sequences inside of that project. The only thing is inside of your clip properties, for example, you'll see that this does not tell you anything about the dimensions or the frame rate. So usually I find that it's better if they match. So the project that you're importing for its frame rate to match that of the project that you're currently working on. It does help to have those 2 match, but here we go. I can even open the project that we just imported so you can see. There it is right here, a little crossfade. And that's what we have here on our timeline. And as a quick bonus, if you go over to the Kdenlive manual and you go inside of the user interface, keyboard shortcuts, you have this page-long amount of content and they're broken down into different categories. So we have the editing, project bin, navigation, and playback, etc. You can click on this playlist here to learn more about Kdenlive, and thanks for watching.